Hey guys, today I'm going to be working on another project. I'll be installing two ambient lights adding them to the Sky Lounge. This is what's inside the box. So basically we have light strips and they have connectors on both ends. So meaning we can use our left one or right one, whichever works. So two strips and two wire harnesses. And for connecting, as I said before, we can use or this end or the other end and plug in this Y connector to the light, and then this wire is going to go down to the footwell light and will be connected parallel to the light. So with that said, let's begin the installation. All right, I'm on the back of the vehicle, and just a short review of what I'm going to be doing here. So as you guys see, this ambient light already temporarily installed. I guess it's not in the right spot, but just to kind of show you what's going on here. So it's gonna go between the headliner and plastic, which is plastic is probably part of the roof. So that's where it's gonna be installed. This end will get cut off. We don't need that. That end will be used to light this ambient light. And as you guys see, I already pushed the zip tie through the headliner and part of the plastic roof, and it came out between the headliner and the windshield. So I'm gonna be fishing the cable through this to connect this light, and then the other end is gonna go to the bottom, I guess where the airbag is. I'm gonna try to take it off that and then fish the wire through the bottom all the way to the footwell light. So that's how this light will be installed, and I'm gonna try to show you the details how I'm doing this. Okay, now I'm gonna tape this connector and try to fish it back over here. Okay, now I'll plug in connector. Now I'm gonna tape that connector. Push that wire back in. Just like that. And that's it. Just wanted to show you a trick how to correctly install this light. So you want to position yourself on the back seat, and your eyes should be positioned towards this end of this headliner, because when I installed, I kind of put it in the spot where it should be, and then when I got it into this seat, it was like not straight line, but it was like a wave. So some of that was sticking out, some of them are not, and basically I just had kind of like a wave going. So now I position myself just like a camera right now, and what I did, I just basically pushed it with a finger to hide and make sure I don't see the line, the ambient light, and that's how I got it set up correctly. Like you guys can see it right here. Probably need to push it in a little more, but that's basically how it comes out after the installation. I probably will play some more with the adjustments, but that's how it turns out. Blue color, and I already tested with the iDrive. It changes automatically, but yeah, looks good, looks beautiful. I'm gonna use those zip ties to secure this wire because of airbag right here, so I just don't want to hang this thing around, so it has to be secured. Before I'm gonna close, I just want to show you guys how I secured the wire. So as you saw, I ran it wire over here, then it went over here. I took this side pillar off, and I just wanted to show you that well, I guess I used those zip ties, bought it on Amazon, and that's how I was the holes here already, 1, 2, and 3, and I just used those zip ties, and that's how I secured the wire, just to get it out of the way because of an airbag here. So this is nicely secured, and then it went down over here, and I got connected already to the footwell ambient light. All right guys, just quick review. So the left side is done, and I'm already working on the right side. Took the bottom cover off, took the side cover off, took the airbag cover off, and yeah, so ready to install this light. Finishing the right side, so just wanted to show you. So this is the main harness, and I hide the wire on the other side of this main harness because the left side did not have, so I had to use zip ties. This one have a main harness going, so I just added the wire over here, and it's nicely secure. Airbag is free of wires, nothing's gonna touch that, so all good. And then I ran over here down to the footwell light, so everything connected. And the last thing, what I need to do, just put this cover back in, put this cover, and install the light. All right, here's the final result. I'm gonna do with a flashlight just to show you details, and then I'm gonna turn the flashlight off and show you in dark mode. So this is how it turns out. It matches with the door colors, looks beautiful. So now I'm gonna turn the flashlight off and show you some colors and show you the dark mode. But yeah, this is the details, how it turns out. Looks beautiful, very nice. All right, this is how it looks like without flashlight. Looks amazing. I have the sky lodge, so let's open that and see how it's gonna look like too. What's that? Well, we have light shining on the roof outside, so you guys might not see a color, but let's change some colors too and see if we're gonna see some colors. It shows different colors, so this one color, and the sky lodge is a different color. Blue, green and red, pink, Yeah, looks beautiful. Yellow and blue, yellow and green, lilac and red, and green and lilac.